So you want to supercharge your Solana trading and need the perfect bot. Let's dive deep into Photon, Trojan, Bullx, and Bloombot to crown the ultimate Solana trading champion in just 90 seconds. First up, Photon, known for its blazing fast sniping capabilities. Photon leverages advanced MEV protection and customizable RPC endpoints for unparalleled speed. We'll test how quickly it can execute by order on a newly listed token. Pay attention to the gas fees, speed of execution, and success rate of the transaction. Next, Trojan focuses on copy trading and smart token discovery. It excels in finding promising new tokens and automatically replicating successful traders' moves. We'll observe how accurately it mirrors another trader's strategy and its performance in volatile market conditions. Note the profit-loss ratio and ease of strategy setup. Now, let's examine Bullx. Famed for its intuitive interface and robust backtesting features, Bullx allows you to experiment with diverse trading strategies using historical data. We'll run backtest on a specific trading pair to assess its profitability and risk management effectiveness. We'll check the historical performance, win rate, and drawdown. Finally, Bloombot emphasizes portfolio management and dollar-cost averaging DCA strategies. It provides excellent risk management tools for long-term investment. We'll simulate a DCA strategy over a set period to evaluate its consistency and overall return on investment. We're looking for consistent growth, risk mitigation, and user-friendly portfolio tracking. Compare Photon's speed, Trojan's copy trading accuracy, Bullx's backtesting results, and Bloombot's portfolio management features during simulated trade. Which bot secures the best entry point, manages risk effectively, and generates the highest profit? The ultimate Solana trading bot depends on your individual needs and trading style. Consider speed for sniping, copy trading for automated learning, backtesting for strategy validation, or portfolio management for long-term growth. Choose wisely and happy trading.